Struggling to lose that stubborn lower belly fat? No matter how much you diet or exercise, it just won't go away? You're not alone. But in this video, I'll show you simple, practical steps and exercises to burn lower belly fat efficiently. Lower belly fat is one of the most common problems, and it's not just about looks, it can affect your overall health too. The reason it's hard to lose is that stress, poor diet, and lack of the right exercises play a big role. But don't worry, in this video, I'll give you practical diet tips, effective exercises, and mistakes to avoid so you can finally say goodbye to belly fat. First things first, your diet matters the most. To reduce lower belly fat, you need to cut down on refined carbs like white bread and sugary drinks. Switch to whole foods like oats, quinoa, and vegetables. Also, fiber-rich foods are your best friend. They keep you full and reduce cravings. Try adding chia seeds, avocados, and leafy greens to your meals. And remember, hydration is key. Drinking water before meals helps control hunger and reduces bloating. Now let's move on to the top 3 exercises that directly target lower belly fat. Leg raises. Lie on your back, lift both legs up slowly, and bring them down without touching the floor. Repeat for 3 sets of 15 reps. Mountain climbers. Get into a plank position and bring your knees toward your chest in a running motion. This is great for burning calories. Fast planks with twists. Hold a plank position and twist your hips from side to side. This engages your core and burns those stubborn fat deposits. Stress plays a huge role in storing belly fat. When you're stressed, your body produces cortisol, a hormone that tells your body to store fat around your belly. So managing stress is crucial. Try meditation, yoga, or even simple deep breathing exercises every day. Let's talk about some common mistakes that might be slowing your progress. Doing only cardio won't help. You need strength training too. Building muscle burns fat faster. Skipping meals slows down your metabolism, so eat balanced meals at regular intervals. Consistency is key. Working out once a week won't do much. Stick to a routine and you'll see results. Let's quickly recap. Eat more fiber and drink plenty of water. Do leg raises, mountain climbers, and planks with twists. Control your stress levels. Avoid common mistakes like skipping strength training or meals. If you found these tips helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more health and fitness.